Before you right now is a question from the 2019 AIME II, and it's actually one of the easiest questions on the exam. So this is question 3. We're asked to find the number of 7 tuples of positive integers a through g that satisfy this system of equations. And it might seem impossible at first, right? Because we have to find 7 different variables given only 3 equations, but we're also given this little tidbit which says positive integers, right? So we're going to work with that. And the first thing you might notice is that 70 has a lot of prime factors, right? It's 2 times 5 times 7. And EFG, which is 72, is 2 cubed times 3 squared. But 71 is prime, right? Because 71 is prime, we know that C, D, and E, since these are positive integers, they're equal to 1. Oops, sorry, the tablet's a little wonky, but it'll be 1, 1, and 71 in some order, right? We don't know what it will be exactly, but it'll be 71 for one of them, and then the other two will be 1. Now, we also know that ABC is 70 and CDE is 71. What's in common with them? C. So you need a number C that's a factor of both 70 and 71, and that, of course, has to be 1, right? So we know that C is equal to 1. Very, very similarly, we can now use CDE is 71 and EFG is 72, and we also see that E is equal to 1. Okay, so we know that C, D, and E, C is 1, E is 1, so that means D has to be 71. So we're done. We found the entire middle term. We found C and E, so now it's just A, B, and FG. Let's rewrite this. We know that AB is equal to 70, and we know that FG is equal to 72. How many ways are there for us to make this happen? Well, pause the video and try it out yourself. You should be able to do it. It isn't too tricky. The idea here, there are a lot of different ways you can do it, but the way I'll do it is just by saying, well, 70 has to be 2 times 5 times 7. And if we, so how many factors will there be in total? Well, 1, 1, 1, and then you just add them up. So this is going to give you 8. Yeah, so that's going to give you, so this is 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. So that's 8 total factors, right? Depending on how you choose them. So let's say you pick, there are 8 different ways to pick A. And then once you have a particular value of A, B will of course just be 70 divided by A. So B is determined based on that. Same thing here with the FG. This is what, 2 cubed times 3 squared. So it's going to be 3 plus 1 and this. So that's going to be 4 times 3, which is 12. And then once you pick F, G will follow automatically or vice versa. So it's just 8 ways to pick A and B and 12 ways to pick F and G. And what do we have to do with them now? Well, we just multiply them together because they're independent. So 8 times 12, and that gives us for a final answer, what is that, 96. Just like that, we're done. It was a pretty easy question at the end of the day. This is all the work we did, right? For an AIME question, that's pretty good. And hopefully you learned something new. If you did, make sure to smash that like button. The subscribe button and also the like button. And that way you can stay in tune. You can stay tuned in as I make more of these videos, which will also hopefully be helpful for you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.